Good morning, second grader. Today is Monday. It's a new week. So let's go over for our classwork 1 for your writing, spelling, cursive writing, reading, language art, writing, and including your homework. Okay, to start with, we have our new lesson because this is a new week. Our new lesson in spelling is all about long I sound. Long I sound are I-G-H, I-E, or Y because sometimes Y sounds as I. Okay, here. Some words have a long I sound. Listen to the vowel sound in the words pie and night, right? The letters I-G-H, I-E, or Y can stand for the sound pie and night. Okay, let's go over to our first part. Okay, under this box, there is a small box. There are words there like skies, might, wild, pride, find, and buy. Now, here's the instruction in part A. Circle the picture that matches the word. Underline the letters that stand for the long I sound. So, remember, our long I sound are I, I-G-H, I-E, and Y. So, we need to underline that one. Now, for example, the word here is sky, right? Now, what picture that tells us about sky? This one or this one? Obviously, this one. So, we need to circle the picture. Here, circle the picture, right? Then, after we circle, underline the letter that stands for the long I sound. Do we need to underline S? No. K? No. Y? Because sometimes Y sounds as I and underline it. That's how you do it, right? Now, for part B, read each word below. Find a word from the box that rhymes, meaning they have the same sound. They rhyme together. Write the word like why, light, cried, tries, mild, mind. So, remember this little box. We need to look for a word here that matches, that rhymes with why. Is it sky, might, wild, pride, find, or buy? Obviously, it's buy. Then, write it on the blank. There you go. That is your spelling worksheet 1. Now, let's move to our cursive writing. So, this time, we're not going to trace letters, but this time, we're going to trace words. Yes, we need to practice how we connect each letter to make a word. Okay, like this one. Flag. Trace it. Even if it is written in a bold, trace it. Just trace it so that you can practice it. Like that. Then after you you trace it, write it. Always remember, try your best, right? That's right. Right? Like this. Like that. Okay? And you need to write the sentence also at the bottom. Okay? Always try your best. But they are not written in a light they did not it is not written in a light one. Should we trace it? Yes, even if it's written in a bold one, try to trace it because that will help you practice writing a cursive writing. Okay? That's for your cursive writing. Now, for your reading, right? I know you're familiar with this passage because we already discussed this one. Because remember all of the lessons that I give to you this following past week are a review, right? So here, games around the world. So you need to read the selection. Yes, you need to box the title. After you box the title, right? Label the genre and the author's purpose. The genre, if it is fiction or non-fiction, right? Then, underline or label each paragraph. Label the picture also. Do we need to label only the paragraph? No, we need to write 1 to 4 keywords on the side. Why do we need to write 1 to 4 keywords on the side? Yes, to know what is that paragraph all about. Then, on the side, this is page 18 on your reading. Now, on the side, we need to underline important keyword, right? Why do we need to underline important keyword? To figure out what is the question all about. Always remember, if it's a WH question like what, when, why, where, how, or who, you should box it. And if it is a important keyword but it is not a WH question, we need to underline it, right? Why do we need to underline or box important keyword? To figure out what is the question all about. Okay, that's how you do it for your reading. Now, and also in reading, practice read the words. Practice reading it because it will enhance your reading ability. Now, for your writing, for your language art, it is a different, because it is a new week, we have a different lesson. It is more on more plural nouns, right? When we say plural, it describes two or more. That's why it's called plural. Because if it only describes one, it is singular. Now here, let's read the review box here. A plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. It can be, if you can see 2 toys, that is plural, right? Most nouns add s or es. Like if if you saw toys, 3 toys, you will say I saw 3 toys, right? Because we need to add s or es. Or I saw 2 boxes, right? That is a plural noun. Now, make their plural noun. Some nouns change their spelling to make their plural form. There are some other words that we're not going to add s or es to make it plural, like boy, boys, toy, toys, box, boxes, girl, girls. That's how it works like that. But some other singular noun, to make it plural noun, we don't need to add s or es. Like the spelling will change it totally. Like for this one. That's why we call it some other plural noun. Foot, there's no word foots. Does it make sense? I have 2 foots. Right? To make a singular noun to plural, foot, to make it plural, becomes feet. It changed totally. Right? Child, children. Man, men. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Right? It changed totally because not all plural nouns we're going to add s or es. Some of them changed totally the spelling. Now here, complete each sentence with the noun in parentheses. If you see like this, write the nouns in their plural forms. Now, 3 blank took a hike on the path. On the parentheses, there are words. There are singular noun. How we're going to make it plural? Child. 3 childs. Does it make sense? No. To make, what is our keyword here? Because of the word 3. So it's only, and it means there are more, right? It's not only one. Because the word 3, to make child plural, what are we going to write here? Children. We don't need to write childs because there's no word like childs, right? So it should be like this, children. In part B, write a sentence using the plural form of the noun in parentheses. Mouse. It is only one mouse. How we're going to make it a plural, mice. So you're going to use the word mice and write it on the blank. Okay, the same thing with number 5. And that's it. Now, for your writing, this is our activity for this week. The wheels on the bus. Okay. So tomorrow you will figure out why it is called the wheels on the bus. But before that, we're going to write, based on the final introduction, student will decide what main body ideas would be used. The student will place the correct wheels under each introduction. Example, I enjoy reading science and social study, but I love math. That's how you write it. Write it here. That is example number 1. I enjoy reading science and social studies, but I love math. Look, right? I enjoy reading science and social studies, but I love math. Do the rest. Pizza, like I like hamburger, spaghetti, and taco, but I love pizza. Do the rest. Dogs, PE, cats, soccer, and Christmas. Understand? Write a specific on each topic. Okay. Then lastly, you choose this one. Okay? If you have any question, just message me or call me using phone or message me through Classwork. Now for your homework. Our homework is all about, you need to read the selection. Penguin style. Okay, read it. Practice reading. When you answer, after you answer this one, after you read this one, then answer Monday. Like if you have enough time, you can do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Before you read, preview the text. What do you think the story will be about by looking at the title or the picture? What is the story all about? So it's all about a penguin style, right? So you can easily answer this one, right? So if you have question, please do message me or call me or email me, because some other parents email their work through my email ad that I usually posted, that it is aia.jyanok@gmail.com, and in my number 832-748-0932. See you for your classwork too. Bye!